Have you ever met someone who makes you feel like you're always wrong, even when you know you're right? Someone who can twist any situation until you start doubting your own sanity? That's not confusion. That's manipulation. And today, we're diving deep into the 9 mind games narcissists and manipulators use on you every single day, and how they do it so quietly, you don't even notice it's happening. Most people think manipulation is loud, shouting, controlling, or obvious. But the truth is, real manipulation is subtle. It happens in conversations, in text messages, in moments that feel harmless. They don't take your freedom. They make you give it up. And if you stay till the end of this video, you'll learn the final trick they use that turns even the strongest people into puppets, and how to break free from it forever. The first mind game is gaslighting. They make you question your reality. You're imagining things that never happened. Over time, you start believing them more than you believe yourself. Second, love bombing. At first, they shower you with affection, compliments, attention, constant messages. But once you're hooked, they pull away, leaving you desperate for their validation. Third, the silent treatment. When they ignore you, it's not peace, it's control. They use silence to make you chase them, to make you feel guilty even when you've done nothing wrong. Fourth, projection. Whatever they're guilty of, they blame you for it. Lying, cheating, manipulating. They flip the script before you can expose them. Fifth, triangulation. They bring someone else into the picture to make you feel jealous or insecure. Suddenly, you're competing for their attention, and they love that power. Sixth, playing the victim. They twist every story until you feel sorry for them. You end up apologizing for their mistakes. Seventh, guilt tripping. After everything I've done for you, they make you feel ungrateful just for setting boundaries. Eighth, minimizing your feelings. They tell you you're overreacting, too sensitive, or crazy. It's how they train you to stay quiet. And finally, the hoovering game. After disappearing, they come back sweet and apologetic. Not because they've changed, but because they need control again. These games only work if you don't recognize them. The moment you do, you take your power back. If you're ready to stop being manipulated, subscribe to this channel, because awareness is your greatest weapon.